Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Now, members of the performing arts industry are being urged to utilize the financial services offered by the nation's credit unions to manage their financial affairs and to organize retirement plans. The message was delivered at the first Jamaica Festival Song 2018 competition developmental workshop held recently at Jampro.
You as musicians, entertainers, songwriters have an extra problem among people like me who have a regular job and I get 9 to 5. I have a pension plan. I have a health card. These are things we have to seriously think about as you as self-employed persons. You have to look about your health. You have to look about your retirement, because there will come a time when you can't scan like one time and the voice might not be there like it was one time either. What again at that time? We need to research and find places that can give us, as self-employed, you are self-employed, can give you that benefit. You can get a national health card. You can even join a health plan through a credit union. You can get life insurance through a credit union. There are many things you can do. Some of them even have retirement plan. These things we have to do so that the legacy lives on.
Reggae songbird Etana is very excited about the release of her new album titled Reggae Forever.
This is album number 5 called Reggae Forever, and I look forward to your love and support on the brand new album Reggae Forever. You've heard the singles like My Man, we tell him I'm making, and then Burn, and another one bites the dust. And then you have 6 minutes, 21 seconds. They try, but they can't take me down. That one's coming, so it's just a lot of things, a lot of fun.
The album is available for pre-order and fans can expect positive energy, good vibes, various messages within the music.
This is my first project on my own, like executively producing. I'm no longer with VP, who I've done like 4 albums with already. So I'm happy that I'm able to do this one, and it has 14 tracks on it, and it's distributed by Taz Records. It has roots, real roots. It has R&B sounds mixed in. It has a little bit of pop, and it have world music. It have Afrobeat. It have everything mixed in. So you can pre-order the album, so the day when it releases, on the day it will be in your iTunes or in your Google playlist, or you can buy it off Amazon. You can buy it anywhere there is music, and it's up for pre-order in every country worldwide. The tour starts on February 9th and ends March 31st. 37 shows all the way from the Midwest, from the West Coast to the Midwest to the East Coast. You know, I'm back again to the West Coast, so I'm looking forward to it very much. Jesse Royal and J-Book will be on that tour as well, and I think it's going to be exciting.
On the international scene, Rough Riders rap legend DMX, whose real name is Earl Simmons, is back in jail for violating his bail conditions. DMX failed mandatory drug tests when he appeared in court yesterday. The artist tested positive for cocaine, oxycodone and opiates. DMX was remanded in custody. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.